What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how this channel called N Beats makes $25,000 every single month. So basically what this channel does is that they upload short audio clips. For example, the latest video they uploaded is siren sound to annoy and prank dogs, and other sounds include sound to attract crows, 5 sounds to excite dogs, the loudest vacuum cleaner ever, dog snoring sound effect, sound to make a dog poop immediately, dog barking sounds, and this is just an example of what they upload. And this channel uploads a video every 2 to 3 days, and these videos are not that hard to make, so you can do the same thing and upload a video almost every day. So let's jump on Social Blade and see how much this channel makes every single month. So on average, this channel makes $1,600 to $25,000 every single month, and an estimated $18,000 to $300,000 every single year. So even if you do an average on that, this channel makes around $100,000 every single year. That is insane. And you might be wondering, how does this channel get the audios? Well, that's simple. Just go over to pixabay.com and search for the audio that you want. For example, let's search for dogs barking. So I'll just type in dogs barking and I'll select sound effects from the drop down and I'll hit enter. So now you come to a page where you can download short royalty-free audio clips. So normally what you would do is take these audio clips and just piece them together to form a longer video. Ladies and gentlemen, it can't get easier than that. So what do you think? Comment down below, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.